Welcome back, guys. So in our last video we have talked about how to restore the database using PSQL. Let me tell you, uh, we are talking about PostgreSQL, and we are in our major topic of backup and restore. So in this video we'll be talking about one another utility, PG restore. So what is this? So PG restore is a special utility. It is used to take the do the restore for a special kind of files, which are .dump files. Okay, uh, if remember, we have talked about .fc options for PG dump, which is used in this case. Okay, with this option .f and then c, you can use the custom backups. I'll show you in our lab what is this, how we see it, how we combine these, and how to take the backup of this. So this is a very simple command. We just use this option, and the rest of the things are same as we have earlier. And then we have pg restore and dbname. This is also the same. I'll show you in the lab. Okay, so let's move to the lab. Okay, so so you see here pg restore. This can be used to restore the dumps taken by pg dump utility with custom file. Okay, custom files. I'll show you how to take, how we can use the custom files. So let me clear this. PG dump. So this is PG dump utility. So you see, first of all we have this option hyphen capital F. This is for formats, and we can use C, D, TP, any of these formats. P is the plain text or default format which you can use for your SQL files, your text files, anything. So if you do not use anything, the P will be there. But if you use C, D, or T, there will be a custom file, directory file, or tar files for the output. So let's use this FC. Okay, for taking the dump first. So I'm taking the dump. I have not used the inserts like this hyphen d test db. Let me use these as well, so that our database will be, these are known to us, and that will be more easy for us to understand. So we are taking the backup of uh, test db. We are using custom dump files hyphen small c for clean statements, like drop the database before creating, hyphen capital C is for creating the database, inserts for uh, when we have inserts instead of copy in the data segment, if exist, if that is used in conjunction with hyphen small c, drop database if exist. Okay, so let's try to take the backup. Let me change the name to 4. Okay, so let's try to take the backup first. So we are here and we are taking the dump. So yes, we are, our backup is complete. You see, we have .dump file. This is the binary file, and you cannot see it usually. Like, you'll see some of the things in this, but that's not, you cannot understand it properly. So you see one more thing here. This binary file has less space, is occupies less space as other data. This one test db backup, where we have all of these 1 kb. If you, this is just the small database. If you are talking about the larger database which are in tb, so this file is very much useful. It will take much less space instead of these normal text or sql dumps. So that's why this is recommended for large databases. So we took the backup. Now let me, we took the backup using pgdump, and now we are going to restore it. Let me tell you one another thing. Like, let me tell you, if we drop a particular table and we want to restore a particular table in that. Okay, so I'm going to test tb. Let's see how many tables. Oh, not that one. dt. How many tables we have? We have 3 hotels. So let me remove, drop this table, drop table hotels. Okay, so I just dropped this table. So now I have 2 tables in it. So but if I want to remove just one of this table with pg dump utility, that's the main thing about this pg dump utility. You will see you can restore particular table in from this as well. Okay, so this is the command, pg restore user, then database, then the table name hyphen small t table name. And we already took the backup earlier, pg dot dump statement. See, test in backup for, so we'll be using it here. Let me clear it. Okay, so I have used that hyphen t. I'm just want to restore just the hotels tables. Okay, it's done. It's very much fast. So let's see how many tables we have. You see, we have hotels back. Oops, hotels. We have 7 rows in it, and that's all. This is how you can restore a particular table from for with the utility restore using dump files. Okay, so that's all for restoring. I'll be seeing you in my next video.